If HandBrake is giving you the error, job failed -12, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This error usually points to a hardware encoder initialization failure, which means HandBrake is having trouble starting your GPU-based encoding or a related video filter. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it without reinstalling everything or losing your project. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes and step-by-step guides. Let's jump right in. The first and most direct fix is to switch from hardware encoding to software encoding. If your GPU is causing the crash, this is often the quickest way to get your encode working again. Open HandBrake and load your video like normal. Then go to the Video tab. Look for the Video Encoder dropdown. If it is currently set to a hardware option, change it to H.264. This tells HandBrake to use CPU-based encoding instead of relying on your graphics card. Once you make that change, restart HandBrake completely and try the encode again. In a lot of cases, this alone is enough to solve the error. Now, if you still want to use your GPU for faster encoding, the next thing to check is your graphics drivers. Error -12 can also happen when your drivers are outdated, broken, or not fully compatible with the version of HandBrake you are using. If you have an Nvidia card, go to Nvidia's website and download the latest game-ready driver or studio driver. If you work with creative apps and video editing often, the studio driver is usually the better choice. After installing the update, reboot your computer if needed, open HandBrake again, and test the encode one more time. A clean driver update can make a huge difference. The next fix is to disable zero-copy hardware filters. HandBrake can sometimes fail when it tries to pass video data directly through the GPU without using system memory properly. To change this setting, go to Tools and then Preferences on Windows or HandBrake and then Settings on Mac. Inside the Settings panel, select the Video tab on the left. Find the option that says Enable Hardware Accelerated Zero-Copy Video Filters and uncheck it. This can help HandBrake process the video more reliably, especially if the GPU pipeline is the part causing the failure. After turning that off, click back or close the settings window, restart your encode, and test the job again. If you are still getting the error after these steps, it is a good idea to make sure HandBrake itself is fully updated and that your system has enough free resources for the encode. Sometimes a background app, an unstable driver, or a partially corrupted configuration can keep the issue going. But in most situations, one of these three fixes will solve the problem. Switch to H.264, software encoding, update your graphics drivers, or disable zero-copy hardware filters. So to recap, if you see HandBrake error job failed -12, start by changing the encoder to H.264 in the Video tab. Then update your GPU drivers and finally turn off hardware accelerated zero-copy video filters in the Preferences menu. These steps cover the most common causes of the error and should help you get back to encoding quickly. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more HandBrake troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.